Hey everybody, it's Cristina. Welcome to Remodelando la Casa. Today's video is going to be my holiday gift guide. Guys, last week I was busy online shopping all the savings the Home Depot is offering right now. Because really, who wants to fight those crowds? Yeah, not me. I was helping my dear friend and neighbor Kathy to spruce up her yard and front porch for the holidays, and we found everything we needed at the Home Depot. Yes, let me show you the 10 awesome tools and products that made a huge difference. The great thing is that they also double as gifts for all the beautiful people in your list. Let's start with something we need to do right now, and that is cleaning the yard, because nothing is gonna look good if you have a yucky yard. So for that, my first recommendation is this Ryobi string trimmer and blower combo kit. Compatible with over 175 1+. The trimmer, which doubles as an edger just by rotating the shaft, it is very lightweight. What I love about this blower is that it doesn't tire my hand. Again, very lightweight. I also love that I can clean those leaves that get stuck to the sidewalk thanks to the debris scraper that comes with it. So guys, the regular price for this string trimmer and blower combo kit, it is $119, but right now it is only $88, which is a really good price. Let's put this one around here and let's continue with our second tool. And that goes for another combo kit, and this is the Dewalt Atomic Combo Kit. Atomic, it is for its size. It's a pretty small size that fits perfectly in my hand. I own this combo for a couple years already, handy for securing a fence board or for building an outdoor table. But where I really put this drill combo to the test was while building the family room entertainment center. The regular price for this combo is $229, but right now and while supplies last, it is only $149. So hurry up, get one before they go. Let's put it here and let's continue with something equally important around the house, and that's for this Milwaukee screwdriver kit. What I also like is the lifetime warranty that comes with it. Regular price for this Milwaukee 8-piece screwdriver set is $26.97, but right now and while supplies last, it is $19.97. Back here, and guys, now that we are outside taking care of the yard and doing some cleaning, maybe it's the perfect time to go ahead and install some new lights. Yes, winter is coming and the light is gonna go down. So installing these new motion activated security lights is something that you can do right now. My husband installed this Defiant outdoor LED light. As soon as our little Yorkie gets out, the lights turn on. Now, the regular price for these LED motion activated lights is $44.97, but right now they are only $29.97, which is an awesome price, and that's why we took advantage of them. We bought two for our own home. Louis, yes, is enjoying them. Now guys, winter, as I said, is coming and you want your home to be warm. For that, you might need to also change that thermostat. Yes, this one is the one we are going to install. My husband is going to do that because he's the expert in that field. This Honeywell smart thermostat is Wi-Fi enabled. You can control it from your smart device. It is also compatible with voice assistant devices like Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, or Cortana. Now, something I like about this thermostat is that you can change the color of the screen to match the color on your wall. Yes, the little things, and I like that. And I guess maybe you can enjoy that feature too. Regular price for this Honeywell thermostat is $199, but right now it is a really good price, under $100. So check it out, guys. Let's continue with our sixth product, and that's for something that we don't find too frequently at the Home Depot, and that is for clothing. But here it is. When you need good quality work clothing, you get something like this, a Milwaukee heavy-duty pullover hoodie. It is durable, breathable, the fabric is soft, thick, and it's wind resistant. It comes in various colors. I bought for me a small size, and here I have to say, hello Milwaukee, there is women out here in the workplace. Now, 7. For 7, we need to go and check my friend's Kathy front porch. Let's go. Well guys, as you can see, this is a gorgeous porch. And I love this set. It has that natural classic feel to it. The 3 items, wreath, garland, and Christmas tree, are decorated with greenery, pine cones, berries, and plaid bows. They are so cute. Well, you can see how nicely they decorate my friend's porch. The wreath I used is a 30-inch wreath. It uses LED lights that are battery operated, which I love because I don't get to deal with cords hanging down from the door. The garland is also battery operated, and it is 9 feet long. You can use it indoors or on covered outdoor settings. Now, tell me how gorgeous are those Christmas trees. They are 4.5 feet tall, and I really love the pretty pots they come in. These trees are AC wired, and I love the soft glow they impart to the entire porch. Okay, back here to check number 8. That's my next recommendation for you. And it is for this Start Shower Motion laser light, a really long name for this tiny fun thing. As you can see there in the video, this is something fun. So guys, for number 9, if you're bringing this to your yard, you are going to need an extension cord. Yeah, my number 9 priority is for extension cords, because with all those Christmas lights and figures especially, you're going to need extension cords. Now, my final number, that's my 10th recommendation, is for something that is really small and that can serve as a last-minute gift, and it is for this cute Husky utility knife kit. They feel great in your hand. One of them is a sporting knife. The other is a lock-back utility knife that's precisely, the one you need for opening all those tough packages. What I really like is the wooden handle. It's so pretty. It is engraved with the Husky logo. And as it happens with most Husky tools, this set also comes with a lifetime warranty with no questions, no receipt required. Awesome price for this kit is under $10. And there is something that I also wanted to share with you as a number 11, but that's kind of something that was in my wish list for a very long time. Let me know what's that product for you down below there in the comment sections. For me, it was a snow blower. Yeah, that was my item that I wanted to have since kind of we bought this house. And every winter when we were shoveling there in our driveway, I wish to have one of these. Guess what? It arrived like an hour ago, and I am kind of waiting for winter to come and to bring us lots of snow, because I want to put that snow blower to good use, and you're gonna see it here because I'm gonna make sure that to record and share it with you guys. This Ryobi snow blower runs on the 40-volt battery platform. It's brushless, cordless. It comes with 2 high-capacity batteries and charger. So, okay guys, that's my gift guide for this year. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you like it, please give it some thumbs up, and please subscribe down below. Thank you so very much. If you're using my links, I really appreciate it. And hurry up to the Home Depot for all the savings going on right now. Remember, todo noviembre and even through December while supplies last. Thank you very much.